Hi, my dearies, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. And welcome back to my channel, Skin Treats. My name is Priyanka Kaushik. So, in my last video, I hope you liked the last video. In my last video, I told you that I'll be, showing you all my perfumes in my next video. So, here it is. Okay, so let's just talk about perfumes first. Okay, so what are perfumes? Perfumes are the, substances that emit and diffuse fragrant odor actually, and they are the mixture of aromatic chemicals and essential oils. So girls, these are the must haves. You should keep one in your almirah, one in your wardrobe, and then one in your makeup vanity kit, and then one in your bag, so that wherever you go, you should smell pleasant. And when you smell, when you smell good, it actually reflects on your face. You feel confident. Perfumes actually speak out. They speak your body language. So you should go, you should go with a good perfume. So let's just dive into the video and let's just talk about my perfumes, what I have collected in the past few months. So let's just get started. So first of all, I'll be taking all my Victoria's Secret perfumes. So I have 3 flavors in Victoria's Secret, so I'll be showing you those 3 flavors. So the first one what I have is this, the Victoria's Secret exotic flavor. So actually this is exactly like it says, exotic. So this is the one, and Victoria's Secret exotic, and this one is for I guess 12.50, and it is available on Amazon. And the quantity what you get is Victoria's Secret exotic, and the quantity what you get is 250 ml for I guess 12.50 or 1300, something like that. So if you are looking for in a price range like that, like from 1000 to 1500, you can go for it. Victoria's Secret exotic. Now the second perfume what I have is from Victoria's Secret is this Victoria's Secret Coconut Twist. This is the one, and this is also available on Nykaa and on Amazon. So you can if you want, I can link it in my description box if you want that. So this smell actually like coconut one, but with a twist in it, as the flavor says, coconut twist. So this is the one. So, and this is for I guess 1500, as this is the newest range Victoria's Secret has launched. 6 months, I guess 6 months ago, this Victoria's Secret has launched this range. So this is the one, Victoria's Secret Coconut Twist, and you can get it on Nykaa and on Amazon as well. So this I have told you the price range, I have told you the flavor of this one. So this is the one, Victoria's Secret Coconut Twist. Now the third one, I'm sorry. Now the third one is Victoria's Secret Marine Chill. So this gives you that marine and beachy kind of fragrance when you actually use it. This is, I will say, like the previous two were on the softer side. Now so this one is on a little on the stronger side, but I really love this. Like I use it. As you can see, this is half of the bottle. I have used half of this much from this bottle. So I have used this half of this one. But yes, this is this is completely your choice, but this I really love this fragrance. And you can if you like a stronger smell, a marine and beachy kind of a smell, so yes, this perfume is made for you girls, and go out and reach for this perfume. So this one, Victoria's Secret Marine Chill, this is also available on Amazon, Nykaa. So this is the one. Okay girls, so these are the 3 perfumes I have from Victoria's Secret. Now moving on. Okay, so the fourth one, this one is from Hugo Boss. Dun, dun, dun. Hugo Boss Women. Guys, you got got to be your hands on this one. This is really, what should I say about this perfume? Oh my god, this is really good. And the smell of this one, it is neither fruity nor strong, and this is like, this smells heaven, guys, heaven. And see the packing, this is so cute, isn't it? Yeah, so this is from the Hugo Boss Women. Okay, so this is the one, and this is the kind of a packing you get it. And this is for, I guess, for 4200 or 5000, something like that. I hope the camera can focus. Okay, this one. Yeah, so Hugo Boss, and this is the packing, and for 42 or 5000, so this is little on the higher end, and you get 50 ml of the product for 42 or 5000, something like that. I'm not really sure about the price, but yes, this is on the higher end. So this is the product, this is the this is the bottle. So and you get 50 ml of Hugo Boss Women for around about between 4000 to 5000. So this is the one. So if you are someone who would like to invest in expensive perfumes with an awesome fragrance, you guys can give it a try. You have to give it a chance, guys. This is the one. Okay, perfect. Now next, this is Guess Seductive. This is the packing, this is the one. See, now let me open it. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so this is Guess Seductive, and this is not so much high and then not so much low. This is for around about 3000. Saves again, I am not very much sure about the exact price of this, but this is like, this will range you somewhere in 2000 to 3000. And okay, and for between 2 to 3000, you get 75 ml of the product. I must say, I'm in love with this bottle. This is this is really seductive, actually. The what it claims, this is actually this. So this is the one, Guess Seductive. Okay, now next. Okay, I have two flavors in Elizabeth Arden as well. So this is the one, Elizabeth Arden Green Tea. Guys, I just love this perfume. I absolutely in love with this perfume. The smell of this perfume, the fragrance of this perfume, I will say it's not that long lasting, but yes, when you actually apply it, you feel so refreshed, and you feel so good about once you are done with the spraying and all. But yes, this is not that much long lasting, and this is for I guess 1500. The range of this perfume is between 1500 to 2000, and you get 100 ml. The quantity you get of this product is 100 ml, and the glass bottle is really cute. See, isn't it? Okay, good. Now the second flavor what I have in Elizabeth Arden is this, and as you can see, I have used this much of it. This is Elizabeth Arden Green Tea Lavender. Okay, so this also has a fruity fragrance, and this is again this will cost you again from 1500 to 2000. The range is somewhere in this only. So this is Green Tea Lavender, and again the product, the quantity, the packing is almost the same, just like this one. See this one. Okay, and the product, the quantity what you get in this, again 1500 or 1600 bucks. I guess this is pretty decent amount for a perfume, for a quantity what you're paying 1600 rupees for 100 ml of this perfume. So this is the one. Okay, now moving on Now next perfume what I have is, this is not, I will not call this a perfume, this is a body mist, and I have ordered it few days back from Avon official website, and this is Avon Sheer Passion So Alluring. This is the one, this is the body mist. Guys, this is super long lasting, and one spray here and you're good to go. That's it. And this is for $6.99, and the product is, and the quantity what you get is, and then okay, then it has mandarin, peach and amber. This is the fragrance mist, and the quantity what you get for $6.99 is 200 ml, which is pretty decent. So this is the one, Avon Sheer Passion So Alluring, and you can get the same flavor on Amazon as well. Okay, now moving on to next one. So this is again, you know, okay, let me just show you. This is from Burberry Brit. Oh, this is not on the softer side. This is a little on the you know, a little I would not say really higher, a little on the higher side. This is Burberry Brit. This is the one, this is the packing, this is the glass bottle what you get, this is the glass bottle, and the quantity what you get is 90 ml, and the cost of this perfume is, I really don't know, like I have not that much idea, but the cost of this perfume is somewhere around 9 or 10,000. So this is really on the higher end, but guys, this is worth every penny. This is worth every penny. You can give it a chance if you are looking for a perfume which is super long lasting. Like you just have to spray this perfume, one spray here and one spray there, and it is going to, you know, it's going to go long way with this perfume. This is really good. So this is the one, Burberry Brit. Yeah, this is the one, Burberry Brit. And for, I guess I just told you, I am not very much sure about the price, but yes, this is a little on the higher end, and for maybe 8 or 9,000 you get 90 ml of this product. So this is the one, Burberry Brit. Now last but not the least, the last perfume what I have is Calvin Klein Shock. This is the one, and this, after, you know, after using this, I have, you know, I am in love with this perfume. See, this is the glass bottle. This is the glass bottle. It has that unique glass bottle. I really found it very unique to, you know, this one. See, Calvin Klein Shock for her. This is the one. I am not sure about the price. I have no idea what's the price of this one, and the quantity what you get is 100 ml. This is the, you know, this is the carton. This is the carton packing, and this is the product. So the product what you're getting is 100 ml for this one. See, yeah. So it's Calvin Klein Shock. So that's it, guys. This was my collection of the perfumes. I have collected I have collected all these perfumes in the last few months. And I just love these perfumes. These perfumes are, you know, I swear by these perfumes. And if you are someone, you know, who actually wants to spend something in, you know, luxurious perfumes like this, so yes, this is the one. Go for it. And if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, be the first to watch that video. And then, so all of you, just take care. Goodbye. Take very good care of yourself. Goodbye. See you very soon. I'll be, you know, showing you in my next video. I'll be showing you all my skincare right now, the day and the night skincare what I use from different brands, and then some medicated products as well. So in my next video, I'll be showing you all those products to you. So see you soon, guys. Bye.